Secret weapons.
3 years since we built this boat. What was originally a $112 budget, we spent closer to about $150. And after 3 years of it sitting out here uncovered, it's actually still surprisingly well, but there are some issues with it that need to get fixed up, which we'll get to this year. To start off with, a bunch of this wood is warping, becoming no good. Looks like a whole vert ramp almost right here. This whole lid, much higher on this side, dips down. We have at least a ½ inch gap up front right there. And then our little hinges that we had have dry rotted and cracked off. So much mold. Your Bigfoot switch has been pretty good, right?
Yeah, it just actually cracked last time I had it out.
Trolling motor's been a tank.
Absolute tank.
MotorGuide X3. This is an old one I bought a long time ago for a 12-footer. This is the only thing that's really broken off of it. Finder, just a little small Humminbird Helix 5. I just wanted to really kind of give you guys an update on this build. For 150 bucks, this thing has lasted pretty well for 3 years, which is extremely impressive.
I've had the cover on it, but the cover gets a hole in it. I mean, it's been exposed to the elements for sure. I think it's held up very well. Still catching fish out of it, so
yeah.
For 150 bucks for 3 years worth of fishing, I'll take it all day.
Yep. This once again is a tracker topper 1436. You guys can see here in case you do not have the weight limits on there. Reserve buoyancy. You can see that Home Depot pink foam sheet inside of there. I need to know how many of you have a boat like this. If you do, leave it in the comment section below. We are planning to design a kit based around this boat. So if you have a tracker topper 1436, let me know down in the comment section. We're not trying to remove bench seats. We're going to do it all aluminum though. In the back underneath here has kind of become a pit for monster cans. He loses so much space back here because of this 2x4 framing. Back of the bench seat is way back here, but he has to be able to put the batteries like that in order to get them to fit. That's an issue that we could remove just by changing all this to aluminum. So you're still gonna have a trolling motor up front. Electronics, would you want any lights or anything in here?
Yeah, I'd like to do running lights in case I ever like to take it out at night.
Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.